how to create a Facebook business page for free using your mobile phone. In today's video, you will learn the right procedures on how to create a Facebook business page using only your mobile phone right here, right now. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and if bago ka pa dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. A Facebook business page is a freeway tool for businesses that wants to promote their products and services at the same time to create a revenue on this social media platform. People will be able to connect with your brand easily when you have a Facebook business page. Here's how to get started. Hi guys, this is Archie Noche and I hope na may natutunan ka dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to make a Facebook business page using your mobile phone for free. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or mga tanong para sa video na to. Smash the like button kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today and I'll see you on the next vlog.